everyone. Thank you for coming back and clicking on my video. Today, we are going to do an oracle reading for each element. So, fire, earth, water, and air. Fire. Patience is your friend. Have patience. Take the time to revel in the current moment. You are here because you have taken the time to get here. Take action. Meditate. Have some fun. Finish later. Take a break, relax and breathe. Sit in the moment and wait. Earth signs. Get naked. It is very important to let your skin breathe and remove restriction from your body. Take action. Clean in the buff. Spend a day off in bed, nude. Don't get dressed right away. Sleep naked. Just give your birthday suit some wear. Next is water. Protect yourself. Take steps to make sure you are protected, spiritually, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Take action. Secure your home. Remove negative energy and people. Take self-defense. Move to a better area. Save money. Practice self-care. Pay attention and be aware. This is for air signs. Align your chakras. Take measures to balance your body, mind, and spirit. Align your chakras and achieve wellness within your being. Take action. Take a bath, get a massage, meditate, sit in silence, and work toward becoming aligned with your entire self. So there you have it. I hope that you got a good message that spoke to you, and when you got your message and it advises you to do a few things, try some of those things and see if that helps you in your current space, in your current mind frame, and hopefully it will help you to improve in some way. Again, I just want to thank you for taking the time to click on the video and get your message. Please like the video, share the video with anyone that you think might need the message. Comment. I will always try to answer all comments. And of course, subscribe so that you are notified when I upload, which I generally try to do 3 times a week. So thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.